So the another important aspect in this temperature is the cyclomorphosis. Cyclomorphosis can be defined as a cyclic seasonal changes in the morphological characters of the animals. So, according to the seasonal change, there is a change in the morphological character, and these changes are cyclic. Example is Daphnia. It is also known as the water flea. So we shall see how these morphological characters of the Daphnia changes according to the seasons. You see, Daphnia this is the Daphnia, and it has a round head. In winter season, the head shows the round structure. It is a round in structure, and it is also known as non-helmet structure or typical form of or general form of the Daphnia. But when the season changes to the spring, so during the spring, a small helmet will start appearing around this head region, and it shows the maximum length at summer. So during the summer, this helmet will be in maximum size. So the helmet size will be maximum. And next, when it enters into autumn, the helmet starts reducing. We can see a helmet form. So this is the helmet, and by the autumn the size of this helmet starts reducing, and by the time it reaches the winter, it has again there is no helmet. So this is known as the non-helmet or the typical form, in which the head shows the round structure, and this is the helmet form, where we can see a helmet like structure around the head, and the helmet will have a maximum size during the summer, and this is known as the cyclomorphosis. And what is the reason for this cyclomorphosis? Let us see. During the winter, the density of water will be very high. So there is no problem of floating on the water. So floating will be no issue for this Daphnia. But as the temperature increases, by the time at summer, the density of water will be very less. And in order to float on the water, it needs to increase its surface area. So in order to increase the surface area of the body, there is a need for helmet-like structure. So during the summer period, the helmet will have a maximum size, and during the winter, when there is no problem with the floating, and helmet will not be appearing. So this is how, in order to float on the water, there is a need for helmet, and it starts building up a helmet by the time it reaches the summer, and by the time of winter, helmet will be removed or it is reduced. And we can say, for better floating as well as movements in the water. So this is a adaptation for efficient movement, or you can say the efficient management of the water currents. So these are the some important aspects of the influence of temperature on the organism.